I have been working with Selenium in last few years. So in couple of minutes I'll be explaining you how to implement the Selenium and what are the different things that we can do with Selenium. Before that I want to tell you an interesting story. Why the name Selenium, right? So basically Selenium was invented by Jason Huggins in 2004 when he was in third course. Generally every software name has certain different stories. You might have heard about Java and Hadoop, they have their stories. I want to tell you the story behind the name Selenium. First of all, just let me remind you, if you are a science student, you might know the periodicity of an element. If you don't know, then let me tell you. Periodicity of an element is such a table wherein all the elements from the universe are listed based upon their atomic numbers, right? Just like helium, oxygen, nitrogen. Selenium is also an element from the universe, right? Do you know mercury? You might have seen it in thermometers that generally doctor has, or BP checker. BP checking machine also has mercury inside it. You know what? QTP or UFT is a competitor of Selenium, and the reason is but obvious that QTP is paid tool while Selenium is open source, that is free. So they both are competitors of each other. HP has a previous name Mercury, right? So you can observe that Mercury is also an element of this universe, and Selenium is also an element, and it has its certain place into the periodicity of an element. Now, one of the property of mercury is if you take mercury internally, it is very much poisonous. It can cost your life as well. But selenium supplements can save your life. So it was a joke that time when Jason Huggins said that in order to remove the poison by mercury, we need selenium. So the name selenium connected with this particular automation.